Open up the Riot client and go to settings. This page will appear. In this you have seen the warrant is there. You need to click the warrant. Scroll down and click repair settings and click start repair and wait for a couple of seconds. It will repair your game files and it will take a couple of times to repair. So wait. Once completed, after this pop-up will appear successfully. Then after, go to next method, search for run and type the following text, service.msc. Click enter. In this you need to search for VGC. Right click it, go to properties and make sure the service type should be in automatic or manual and service status should be in running. Click apply and OK. Close it and go to next method. Search for Windows Defender 5.1. Click allow an app. Click change settings. Scroll down and you need to check for Riot client and Valorant. And make sure the Riot client and Valorant should be enabled both private and public. Enable it in both private and public. Once it's not available means click allow another app and browse it. For easy method, right click Valorant, open file location, copy the address, come back and browse it, paste the address here and you can easily get the application. So Riot client is easily get, add it. So I already have, so I skip. You need to add and make sure it should be in private and public mode and click OK and come back. The next step, go to this PC, C drive, right click, go to properties and scan the drive. So all the games files and folders are in C drive. So C drive is more important. So that's why I'm scanning the C drive. If there is any issues or a corrupted file means it will rectify it. This step is mainly for corrupted file. And next step, you need to go to settings and go to network and internet settings and go to advanced network settings. In this, go to network reset and reset your network. It will reset your network and reinstall all your network settings.